Within the ARIMA project, which is funded by the European Commission, our team, together with our international scientific partners, but also the partners from the private sector, and most relevantly, our local partners here from the Marrakesh-Safi region, try to understand current patterns of multi-hazard risk associated with flooding and droughts, and how that affects the region, notably the agricultural sector, but also cities. Further, next to looking at these current patterns and current hotspots of disaster risk, one of the goals is to look into future scenarios. So how will dynamics of disaster risk in all the different components of hazards, so the flood patterns, the drought patterns, exposure, elements that are at risk, but also vulnerability, are going to change over the next decades. And here we want to look into timeframes up to 2050, because we believe that having information on future scenarios of risk associated with these multiple hazards would actually allow decision makers and practitioners here in the region to take risk-informed action in order to reduce these risks and to help the region, relevant sectors, but also citizens at risk to adapt to these new conditions in order to avoid impacts and ultimately generate disaster-resilient societies.